Hello everyone, welcome in the next tutorial. So till now we have a very healthy discussion related to artificial intelligence, what is AI, what is ChatGPT, how to create account in the ChatGPT, alternative of the artificial intelligence tools, etc. But now from here I will start to move towards the PowerPoint presentation, and then after we will combine this ChatGPT with the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So you can see on the screen that this is the ChatGPT screen, and as I have discussed a few of the prompt which is available on, and they are predefined and written by the ChatGPT. So here it is written like how can I help you today, and there are 4 points like compare design principle, explain the popcorn pops, and likewise few of the prompts are they have given, and you can place the here what are the prompt you required. So question answer type sessions related to the chat GPT. We will start conveying with the chat GPT in soon. So now first of all, I have created one folder as named as a presentation. Okay. And now we will start to create the PowerPoint presentation. So just click the right click and then go to the new, and here you can see that one Microsoft PowerPoint presentation is available. Just click on that. Okay, it will ask for the name. You can see it is highlighted by light blue color with the white text. Just give the name. I am giving this PowerPoint as a mastering chat GPT. Okay, and press the enter. So now your file has been created with the name of mastering chat GPT. Once you double click on that, one screen will be pop up, and here it is written as a click to add the first slide. First of all, I will give you the brief what are the features are available in the presentation and why we required to create the presentation. So why we required, let's discuss first thing. Presentation is the key, successful key to display your output to someone, like, or you can keep the record of notes whatever you want to keep it here. So in the presentation, when I am discussing with you and I want to see you to go through that different topics, what I will do, I will create one small presentation, and then after I will give you the understanding related to the subject. So for that purpose, these presentations are widely used. And I hope you have selected this course. So basically, you may have good understanding what is the PowerPoint presentation. So once we will go through this whole lecture, you will understand it more better and easy way. Okay. So in the PowerPoint presentation, one tap here auto save button is available. So I have clicked on. Once you click it off, so automatically the file will not be get saved, but I have clicked it on, so automatically the file will be saved. Here are the few shortcuts. You can update it or modify it whenever you require. So basically this is the main screen where our content will be displayed, and here are the different kind of tools are available which we are going to use throughout this course. So here one first is a home tab, then insert. These are the different tabs where insert tab, draw tab, design tab, transition, animations, or you want slideshow tab, record, review, view, and these are the different add-ins. It may or may not be available in your system, but this is the based on your installation only. Okay, as I have said that this is the main section, and what is the left side? This is the slide part. Here all the slides will be reflected. On the bottom of the side you can see the notes tabs is available. Once I click on this, you can see click to notes. Here you can add the notes, and these are the different views that we will understand it in future. And then here is the zoom bar. Once you click on zoom, you can see that our main section is getting zoomed, zoom in, zoom out, and here it is the ruler is available. So basically these are the main screen of the PowerPoint presentation. Whatever name you have saved, it is shown as a mastering chat GPT. Okay, so here it is showing click to add first slide. So what we will do, we will start this course by clicking a new slide. You can see once I click on this, automatically one new slide is gets created. Let's do Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is for undo, or you can use this button also to go back to what you have done. Okay, you can click here also and you can click here also. So once I click on this, you can see that new slide is available. There are basically few of the themes are available. If you want to select the blank theme, you can select by clicking on the blank. So see, now another slide has been come up. So these are the slides and we have total 2 slides. Okay, first slide is slide 2. See, we have selected 2. That's why it is written here as a slide 2 of 2. If I select 1, you can see it's a slide 1 of 2. And you can see what are the different themes are available. Title slide, title and content, section header, to content like comparison, just you want only title, only blank, content with the caption, picture with the caption. So these are the basically different themes are available. Here few of the paste clipboard buttons are available, cut, copy, format, printer. Then you can change the layout from here. So we have selected basically title slide, and now if you want to change the layout here, you can select this thing, and from title slide if you want to move to the section header, you can click on this. You can see that now our slide has been changed. See, you can see that one designer tabs is opened up. We will discuss more it later once we will go through different topics. Okay, so I hope these are, I think these are the enough thing, and you click on the reset. If something is you have selected, automatically it gets so I think these things are basic for the starting part of the PowerPoint presentation. And now with the help of the ChatGPT, we will create the content, and then after we will paste it here and we will create attractive presentation. And with the help of the creating presentation, you will understand very well that what are the features are available in the presentation. So but in this course you will understand 2 things related to the ChatGPT and the PowerPoint. So I hope this tutorial is clear, and we will see you in the next what are the basic what I have explained. Okay, thank you.